Hey everyone, how is everyone doing today? My name is Gina and I'm doing great. So, I've got my Simon Says stamp kit from, this is February's kit. I always get it near the end of the month, so I just got it a couple of days ago. So let's see. Wow, they've changed a little something something. Alright, oh. So we have a bag, oh, and then they gave us cute little stickers. Oh my gosh. So obviously it's a St. Patrick's Day themed. Oh my gosh. Look how cute she is. Y'all, I'm working on my drawing and I really am. Like, I drew him last night. This is my Biscuit, my little hamster. If you ever watched my vlogs from a couple of years ago, you saw when we first got him. He passed away probably earlier in February. I was so sad. I loved him. He was such a cute and sweet, sweet, sweet little hamster. But I've been doing some just drawing, and I'm trying to get my drawing better, so that I can create more cute little things, more cartoony little drawings and stuff. Oh, isn't that cute? I just love it. So I'm working on my drawing. So, oh my gosh. Y'all, you know, green is one of my favorite colors, like the dark greens. So I'm like just squeeing. Look at these. Oh my god. Look at them. Oh, have you ever? Oh. Oh my gosh, I love those. Okay, so we have some of these are embellishments is just what they call them. And then we have some Lucky Hybrid ink. Oop. So we're going to test that out. And then I've got, let's see how many envelopes. Oh no, I just got green right here. Let's see if I can wipe that off quick. No, but oh well. So I got 3 envelopes. And oh my gosh, look, it's the little llama. It's a llama leprechaun. Oh my gosh. And a little, oh, we're going to stamp those out with the green ink. We'll see how that works. Let's see. Oh, look at the cute little, okay, it's just like these are rainbows. And then it's like all the colors in the rainbow. It's alright. Okay, let's look at these. These are weird. I'm not gonna lie. Why would I totally get you? You're amazing. Everyone agreed. Okay. These, we're gonna stamp these. I'm not gonna stamp the sentiments, but I am gonna stamp these, so we'll see what those look like. Alright, and here, of course, they always give you a page with everything that comes in the kit, and then just a couple of ideas of what you can do. So that's cute. Okay, let's look at the cardstock. Oh, and they always give you a lollipop. Alright, so here's the cardstock. It's nice cardstock. They always give pretty nice cardstock, I will say. So we have yellow. Ooh, look at this orange. You know, I'm digging orange a lot lately. Like that. Ooh, this pink is cute. The white is not as thick as the colored ones. Ooh, and then look at this. So we have every color in the rainbow. Except, well, I'm guessing the pink is supposed to be for red. Blue. Look at that green. Look at those two colors together. Woohoo! Like that. Alright, so that's what's in our kit. That's what's come in our kit. Let's see, this paper, let me tell you who it's by. They always tell you. It is 12 single-sided sheets of Lawn Fawn Really Rainbow Scallops, 6x6 paper pad. And then this is a bag of Buttons Galore and More Lucky Charms with a Z embellishments. And this cardstock, besides the white cardstock is Neenah Solar White. Neenah, I guess that's how you pronounce that. N-E-E-N-A-H. But all of these are Simon Says cardstock, and they feel nice. They're very thick. So this is Doll Pink. And then this is Blue Violet. Orange Pill. Sunshine, of course, will be the yellow. And then the green is Green Apple. So those are the colors of those. And the stamp set is called Amazing. This is called Amazing. And this is the, I love this. This is Woolly Lucky. That's the name of that one. And then, of course, we have the Lucky Hybrid here. And, then these are Simon Says stamp envelopes. Doodlebug, or no, wait, 2 whites and then a metallic, and then this is Doodlebugs. Doodlebug Lots of Luck icon cardstock stickers. So that is what is all in there. So, okay, I'm going to stamp just by using this stamp right here. And I think I'm going to just use the cardstock that they gave. So, isn't it cute? And I think I'm going to use my platform. So let me get that. I'm going to cut this in half so that it'll be better on my thing. So let me do that and I'll be right back. Okay, so I've got the Woolly Lucky out. I just put... Okay, It's cute, but as you can see, some spots are darker than other spots on the stamps. So I don't know if I pressed the ink a little bit too hard there or what, but let's just give it another. This is why we use platforms, isn't it? That llama is too cute. He is adorable. Oh, that looks cute. He's cute. It's cute. I like it. It's cute. Alright, so there's that guy. And I'm just going to use my little thing here. Some hand sanitizer. Because the hybrid, I'm not 100% sure if it's more like alcohol ink or is it more water-based, like the Tim Holtz, the Distress Oxides and stuff, you know. But it looks like it's more alcohol-based because it is not really, because like the Tim Holtz will just come off with just this, not even wet. So even with some hand sanitizer, which of course has alcohol in it, which usually cleans up the Ranger, the alcohol inks. So there we go. Alright. It didn't come all the way clean, but it's not too awfully bad. Alright. So let me put the other ones on and I'll be back. Okay, so I just put all the little round things on here. So let me just use this ink. If I'm honest, which I always am, this kit does not inspire me at all this month. It really doesn't. Sorry. Sorry, Stampin' Up. I don't know, maybe these will do something. These might be a groovy background for a mixed media piece, maybe. Let's see what it looks like. Let me get it stomped. Now, usually, from my experience, they're bigger. These bigger stamps like this always stamp really, really nicely. You know, they like don't have a problem. Okay, yeah, see, I just think this will be groovy for just backgrounds for a mixed media page. So that's probably what I'll end up doing then with these. Little mixed media page. So be on the lookout for that video. I don't want my videos to be too awfully long, so that's why I'm going to try to just do, you know, show you what's all inside of these kits that I get, and then do the other video to see. Yeah, okay, let's spritz, shall we? I want to spritz. Just see if it will do anything. Especially like these that are more solid, this ink. And I don't think it's doing anything, really. Not like if it was a Tim Holtz or anything like that. So, let me just put this to the side. And let me just do it one more time and we'll compare. Yeah, I don't think it did anything. So, there we go. That is what's in the kit this month. Again, like I said, I'm not inspired to make any cards with this. Like I'm having a hard time even trying to wrap my head around what this would be. Because this is like, you know, you're amazing, I'm proud, fantastic job. So I don't get really what this is about for that. So I don't know. But I do like the sequence. And I do like this ink. I mean, the ink is nice. I like the color. It's a pretty color. It's like almost an emerald color to me. And it seems like it's, you know, nice ink. I think Simon Says Stamp, you know, I think they have good products. Alright, y'all. Thanks so much for watching. I appreciate it. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe if you've not already subscribed. And if you have, thank you so much. I truly appreciate it. But don't forget to hit the notification bell to be notified for every time that I post a video. Alright, y'all. Y'all be good to one another, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.